Coal India and NTPC, those two as well are names that you would want to look out for in trade today, and there seems to be a spat ongoing between both those companies. Let's get in more details with Gargi in terms of what this actually entails. Gargi.
Well, it is clear from news reports today that FSA is not the only point of friction between NTPC and Coal India. Already we know that they had some issues, some tussle going on between the two companies on the FSAs. But coal supply issues, coal quality issues, in fact, have cropped up between the two companies. It seems to be of a serious magnitude. NTPC has, cited that there are concerns of Coal India's, supply of the quality of Coal India's supply, and probably on the back of that, they've not paid dues of almost 1,000 crore rupees to Coal India, and Coal India, on the other hand, because of non-payment of dues, has stopped the supply of coal to NTPC. Almost 5,000 megawatts of capacity that Coal India supplies to in the northern and eastern part has been stopped. We have got exclusive details from our sources in Coal India. They've mentioned that the tussle between NTPC and Coal India probably will get resolved soon, considering that 5,000 megawatts is a considerable amount of power requirement that NTPC will have, in fact, for the coal needs that they have for this particular power plant. They're expecting that in the next 1 or 2 days, the issue will be resolved. By next week, in fact, sources tell us that supplies will continue to be normal, and if this issue really prolongs, we may see the coal ministry as well as the power ministry actually going ahead and intervening because of the considerable amount of power that will be impacted. Remember that NTPC right now has only 24 hours of coal supply, that they have coal inventories that they have with them right now, and any, delay in shipment from Coal India will lead to some kind of blackouts in these two regions, which is not going to be, of course, tolerated by the ministries of both these companies. So clearly, Coal India and NTPC have to go ahead and resolve these supply issues, the quality issues. Coal India management also, in fact, earlier had reiterated that they are ready to, hire agencies for the quality check of the coal that they are supplying to NTPCs. The FSA agreements also had certain issues of that manner. So clearly, in 1 or 2 days, we may see some resolve coming in. But today, these two stocks may actually see a negative reaction.